Hello everyone, welcome to this video talking to his family English to Urdu sentences for daily use, so listen to me carefully. Number 1. Where were you all day? Number 2. I was at the office. Number 3. Did you have lunch? Number 4. Yes, I ate something at work. Number 5. You look tired. Number 6. It was a busy day. Number 7. Did anyone call me? Number 8. Yes, your friend Ali called. Number 9. What did he say? Number 10. He said he will visit tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe the channel that I will give you more vocabulary, more English sentences which you can use in your daily life.